Frameo digital setup tutorial. The first thing you want to do is unbox and power up the frame. So remove your Frameo digital frame from the box and connect the power adapter to the frame and plug it into a wall outlet. The frame will power on automatically if it doesn't press the power button. Then you want to select the language and connect to Wi-Fi. Follow the on-screen instructions to select your preferred language. Then tap on your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Wait for the frame to connect to the internet. Then you want to set the time zone and name the frame. Then you want to generate a pairing code. You can do this by entering your unique 10-digit pairing code. Keep this code visible. It will be used to connect to your smartphone. Then you want to install the Frameo app on your phone and then pair the phone with the frame. You can do this by going into the app, tapping on the plus icon and adding new frame. Enter the 10-digit pairing code as shown on the frame screen. Give the connection a name like my parents' frame and tap pair. Your phone is now linked to the digital frame. Then you can start sending photos and adding captions if desired. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe, but for now, goodbye.